In this video we will learn about 1. What is statistics? 2. Why to learn statistics? 3. What are the applications of statistics? Statistics is just a tool, which is used by the human being for collecting data through various experiments and surveys, organizing data through Excel files or database tables, analyzing data using different mathematical techniques, interpreting data by deriving meaningful information from it, and finally presenting data through various charts and diagrams. Statistics is really about us, the state or community that we live in. So, statistics are about us as a group, not as individuals. It is also the part of mathematics that even mathematicians don't particularly like. Because whereas the rest of the maths is all about precisions and certainty, but statistics is all about uncertainty, probability, chances. Statistics can actually be anything that you like, anything that you enjoy, anything that you want to do, anything that you are passionate about. You can take statistics and it fits. In this part we will learn why we want to use statistics. Statistics is all about asking questions. A statistical question is where you expect to get a variety of answers, and you are interested in finding the distribution and tendency of those answers. For example, what is the annual income of a person in India? What is the weight of a person in the USA? How many people in the USA own a house? These all are statistical questions, because you will get different answers from each person. Human mind can't understand large amounts of data at a time. Statistics helps us to summarize a large amount of data, and makes us understand it better. Statistics is a crucial process behind how we make our decisions and predictions. Statistics allows us to understand a system much more deeply. Statistics is an exciting field about the thrill of discovery, learning, and challenging our assumptions. Statistics facilitates the creation of new knowledge. It keeps us informed about what is happening in the world around us. All of the numbers in the world follow patterns, oftentimes very complex patterns, but these patterns give statisticians the ability to predict the future. It helps us to make educated guesses of the unknown, and find useful information in an ocean of data. Statisticians improve society, and in general make the world a better place. Here we will see what are the applications of statistics. Statistics in government. The government uses statistics to frame policies and guidelines in order to perform smoothly. The government collects data from different fields like population, agriculture, defense, national income, oceanography, natural resources, space research, etc. The availability of statistical information enables the government to frame policies and guidelines to improve the overall working of the system. Statistics in economics. Statistical information helps to understand the economic problems and formulation of economic policies. Economic planning is an important aspect of a country. For effective economic planning, the authorities require information regarding different components of the economy. This allows them to plan for the future efficiently. Statistics help in providing data, as well as tools, to analyze the data. Some powerful techniques are index numbers, time series analysis, and also forecasting. In India, the 5-year plans extensively use statistical tools. Statistics in business management. In today's world, business management is a complex process. Also, while planning, organizing, controlling, and communicating, the management is confronted with many alternative courses of action. The trial and error method is not a great way of making decisions. Therefore, statistical data and powerful statistical techniques of probability, expectations, sampling, significance test, estimation theory, forecasting, etc. play an important role. Statistics in social sciences and natural science. In social sciences, especially sociology, statistics are used in the field of demography for studying mortality, fertility, marriage, population, and growth. Also, in psychology and education, the intelligence quotient, IQ, is determined using statistics. Statistics in biology and medicine. In biology and medical sciences, there is regular use of statistical tools for collecting, presenting, and also analyzing the observed data pertaining to the causes of the incidence of diseases. For example, the statistical pulse rate, body temperature, blood pressure, etc. of the patients helps the physician in diagnosing the disease properly. Additionally, statistics help in testing the efficacy of manufacturing drugs, or injections or medicines for controlling or curing certain diseases. Statistics and research. Statistics help in the conduction of research in new areas, and the opening of newer vistas of knowledge to mankind. The uses of statistics and research can lead researchers to summarization, proper characterization, performance, and description of the outcome of the research. Statistics in pandemic. In this pandemic time of COVID-19, statistics is used widely. If we need to determine the number of people who got vaccinated and who are left, we use statistics to obtain this data. While doing the survey, the surveyors collect data from people to people, and then convert this data into useful form, with the help of statistical calculations. Statistics in political campaigns. Statistics are crucial in a political campaign. Without statistics, no one can run a political campaign with perfection. It helps the politicians to have an idea about how many chances they have to win an election in a particular area. Statistics also help the news channel to predict the winner of the election. It also helps the political parties to know how many candidates are in their support in a particular voting zone. In contrast, it helps the country to predict the future government. Statistics in sports. There's lots of uses of statistics in sports. Every sport requires statistics to make the sport more effective. Statistics help the sport person to get the idea about her performance in the particular sports. Statistics in education. Teachers are encouraged to be researchers in their classrooms to see what teaching methods work on which students and understand why. There are statistical studies about student achievement at all levels of testing in education, from kindergarten to a GRE or SAT. For example, teachers can calculate the average of students' marks and employ new techniques that can help the students improve their grades. Statistics and prediction. Doctors, engineers, artists, and practitioners all use statistics to make predictions about future events. For example, doctors use statistics to understand the future of the disease. They can predict the magnitude of the flu in each winter season through the use of data. Engineers use statistics to estimate the success of their ongoing project, and they also use the data to evaluate how long it will take to complete a project. Statistics in tourism. The statistics used in tourism to find out the number of arrivals, departure, expenditure by the tourist, fatal accidents, facilities, etc. The statistics can calculate all these factors. In addition, statistics help to improve tourism and boost the economy. Statistics in transportation. Statistics results regarding transport, roadways, waterways, and airways help the government and the nation to build new roads, bridges, water lines, and airports. With the help of statistics, the government can realize where they need to spend the money. They analyze the statistical problems to decide whether they need to construct new infrastructures or mend the old ones. Statistics in financial market. The financial market completely relies on the numbers. All the stock prices calculate with the help of statistics. It also helps the investor to take the decision of investment in the particular stock. Statistics in insurance. There are hundreds of insurance, i.e. car insurance, bike, life insurance, and many more. The premium of insurance is based on the statistics. Insurance companies use the statistics that are collected from various homeowners, drivers, vehicle registration offices, and many more. They receive the data from all these resources and then decide the premium amount. Statistics in predicting disease. Statistics help us to know how many numbers of people are suffering from the disease. It also helps us to understand how many have died from the same disease. For example, after the outbreak of COVID-19, we already knew the second and third waves of this pandemic, and these are spreading as per the predictions. Hence, you can estimate how statistics are useful for us. Statistics in agriculture. Genomic selection in plant and animal breeding is the process of identifying superior individuals based on breeding values predicted from the analysis of molecular marker. Statistics in human resource. In IT industries, HR use statistics for employee performance evaluations and getting feedback of training program. Statistics in weather forecasts. Weather forecast models are built using statistics that compare prior weather conditions with current weather to forecast future weather conditions. Conclusion. Statistics is used in every aspect of life, such as in data science, robotics, business, sports, weather forecasting, and much more. Apart from this, there are various other fields where statistics concepts are applied, like running, calculating the budget, calories count, and much more.